Looking for a powerful solution to remove duplicates from Maildir? If yes, then download the Maildir Duplicates Remover. To know more about the software, please watch the complete video. Read all the guidelines carefully and click on the next button. Here we have options to import the data, such as Select Files. Click on the button to import the files. While importing, the folder pops-up appears. Make a check mark on I am converting multiple users, and click on the Select Mailbox folder. Here you can see the folder path. Now click on the next button. The folder hierarchy appears. Check and uncheck the folder as per the requirement. And for the next process, click on the next button. Now here, click on the filter options. Then again the option appears. Make a check mark on Use advanced settings for filter saving. We have few options to filter resultant files, such as use select export settings for duplicates. In this option, software checks and remove all duplicates from the selected fields. By default, all the given fields are selected, such as from, to, cc, subject, body, attachments and time. As per necessity, you can uncheck the fields. And in the date range, this option allows you to select the start and end to remove duplicates from the selected date range. And in these fields, from and to, you can enter the sender and receiver's email address to remove duplicates from. Subject. The software removes the same subject's email. Moving to next, saving folder naming. The software creates a folder for the resultant files, and by default name the folder as bitrecover. You can change the folder's name accordingly. And the last options, export only selected items, such as mails, calendars, and contacts. And, by default, this option will export all the folders. Then click on the saving options. Here we have two options, such as search duplicates within the folders. This option removes duplicates from the individual folder. And search duplicates across the folders. This option will remove duplicates from the all over the folders. Let's proceed. Click on the Browse button to save the resultant files. A window pops up. You can make a new folder or can select the folder and click on the OK button. Now moving to the final step, click on the Extract button. Now extraction started, pops-up comes up. Maildir Duplicate Remover removes duplicates successfully. Click on the OK button. The trial version only exports the 25 emails from each folder. Log report. This log report shows the complete details of the export, total number of mails, number of emails exported, status and path. Now here are the results.